Buying a luxury watch at retail right now is starting to look like a sucker's game. Between aggressive mid-year retail price hikes, agonizing multi-year authorized dealer waitlists, and the forced secondary spend games boutique managers expect you to play, the traditional buying experience has completely lost its charm. But out in the secondary market, a completely different reality is unfolding. The wild speculation bubble has entirely deflated, and prices have stabilized into a healthy, predictable baseline. For the first time in years, the genuine enthusiast has all the leverage. Welcome back to LuxePulse United Kingdom. Today, we are putting on our consumer advocate hats to show you where the smart money is hiding. If you want to bypass the waitlists and secure a world-class luxury watch on your wrist for a fraction of its boutique value, these are the top 3 pre-owned steals you should be looking at right now. Our first steal turns a massive market shift into an absolute win for your wallet. Lately, the entire watch community has been obsessing over Tudor's new Master chronometer upgrades, which pushed the retail price of the new Black Bay 58 up to a hefty £4,160. But here is the insider secret. That release has caused a massive inventory dump of the original legendary 2018 gilt dial Black Bay 58 on the pre-owned market. While some reviewers might claim the older model is outdated, the reality is that the original version remains an absolute design masterpiece. It features the exact same iconic 39mm proportions, the gorgeous warm gold accents, and a highly reliable in-house manufacture movement. The best part? You can easily find clean, pre-owned examples with a complete box and papers for between £2,000 and £2,500. That is an unbelievable 40% discount compared to the new retail version. If you want the ultimate everyday Swiss sports watch without the premium retail tax, this is the definitive choice. Next up, we are stepping away from traditional dive watches to look at a brand that has officially crossed from a style favorite into a certified smart buy. We are talking about the Cartier Santos Medium model in stainless steel. Cartier has experienced a massive surge in popularity, driven largely by younger collectors who appreciate its incredible history as the world's very first purpose-built aviation timepiece. At retail, a brand new model will cost you close to £7,000. However, because Cartier production remains highly consistent, the pre-owned market offers a spectacular entry point. Fully authenticated, excellent condition models are regularly trading between £4,800 and £5,200. For that price, you are getting an incredibly versatile, square-cased icon that transitions flawlessly from a casual t-shirt to a formal suit. Plus, it features Cartier's brilliant quick-switch system, allowing you to swap between the stainless steel bracelet and a luxury leather strap in seconds. It is pure, unadulterated class at a massive discount. Finally, we have to talk about the crown. If you walk into a Rolex boutique today asking for a stainless steel submariner, you will likely be met with polite laughter and a spot on a fictional 3-year waiting list. But if you look at the secondary market data, the extreme premiums that once plagued steel Rolex references have completely flattened out. This brings the ceramic bezel Rolex sub-reference 114060 into the ultimate sweet spot. While the newer 41mm version sits above £10,000 on the open market, the classic 40mm ceramic no-date sub can be secured immediately for around £7,500 to £8,000. When you consider that a brand new sub no date at retail costs basically £8,500, you are effectively paying right around retail value to skip the line entirely. No dealer games, no forced history, just the most iconic dive watch ever created, delivered straight to your wrist. The pre-owned watch market is no longer a Wild West for scalpers. It has matured into a paradise for smart, patient buyers who value heritage over hype. Before you make your choice, we are closing in fast on our 1,000 subscriber milestone here at LuxePulse United Kingdom. If you want to keep winning against the boutique gatekeeping with honest, real-world buying guides, take a second to hit that subscribe button right now. Your support keeps us going. Which of these 3 pre-owned steals would you put your own money toward? Are you taking the value of the original Tudor, the style of the Cartier, or skipping the waitlist for the Rolex Submariner? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Smash the like button and we will see you in the next one.